मेरे साथ हैं साथी कमेंटेटर मिलिंद बागले।
What a crack lineup that we have here in the women's 100 meters, the first semi-final, which actually is Heat 1. The meet record is in the name of Perepelova, Uzbekistan, 11.24 in 2003. So it's a record which has stood the test of time. In lane 1 is Key of Hong Kong. In lane 2 is Ren of Singapore. Zaibakina of Kazakhstan, the favorite. She's drawn in lane 3. She's got a silver at Wuhan in 11.34. Her personal best of 11.19. If she comes anywhere near that today, then she should be a contender not only for this semi-final but the finals as well. Husne of Malaysia is drawn in for Sharipova of Uzbekistan, also the favorite. 11.31 is a personal best, and just next to her is the Japanese Nakamura, 11.57, and the Thai Omachata with the Korean Mu Mi. So that's the lineup here in the women's 100 meters. Remember, sprinting is running at full speed over a short distance, and the two major factors that determine the sprinting speed of an athlete are the stride length and the stride frequency. Watch that out very quickly. The stride length, the speed of these athletes. The world record, Florence Griffith Joyner, 10.49, way back in 1988 at Indianapolis. And if you look at some of the big names as far as the season is concerned, Duty Chand, 11.30. She's the top in Asia, but she'll have to wait because she features in the second semi-final.
और जहां तक मीट रिकॉर्ड की बात है, एल पेरेप्लोवा उज्बेकिस्तान की 11.24 सेकंड का समय लेकर उन्होंने 2003 में रिकॉर्ड बनाया था। इसके अलावा एशियन रिकॉर्ड की बात करें, बेहतरीन स्प्रिंटर सुशांतिका जयसिंह है श्रीलंका की, जिनके नाम एशियन रिकॉर्ड है। 11.15 सेकंड का समय लिया था। ये बुसान एशियन गेम्स का मैं जिक्र कर रहा था।
So once again, the lineup on your picture frame there: Key in 1, N in 2, Zaibakina in 3, Husnia in 4, Sharipova in 5. Sharipova is a very famous name in the USSR. Then you got 6 is Nakamura, 7 is Chata from Thailand, and completing the lineup in 8 is Mi of Korea. That's the lineup here in the women's 100 meters, the first semi-final here at the 22nd Asian Athletic Championships 2017. And remember, it has been said that sprinters are born and not made. This is only partly true because fast running undoubtedly depends largely on inherited physical characteristics, and these are some who are extremely gifted with natural speed. So there you are. Start of the women's 100 meters.
और यहाँ पर भी अगर आप देखना चाहेंगे किस लेन में कौन सा कंटेंडर ज्यादा मजबूत है, तो विक्टोरिया ज़याबकिना लेन नंबर 3, कजाकिस्तान की इस एथलीट के पास सीजन बेस्ट जो टाइम है वो इस हीट में सबसे बेहतर है, 11.34 सेकंड के साथ। वो फेवरेट रहेंगी। 478 आपके स्क्रीन पर विक्टोरिया ज़याबकिना सबसे ज्यादा निगाहों की बात रहेंगी। इसके बाद लेन नंबर 4 मलेशिया की 11.45 सेकंड ज़ेदतुल उस्नेहा, सीजन बेस्ट का अगर जिक्र करें दूसरे नंबर पर आते हैं। ये है 561 लेन नंबर 4 में, तगड़ी दावेदार हैं इस हीट को जीतने के लिए। 11.45 सेकंड इनका सीजन बेस्ट रहा। इसके अलावा जो निगाहें रहेंगी जापान की लेन नंबर 6 के एथलीट पर रहेंगी, सुजुकी नाकामुरा।
We will now get onto the blocks. Prashant just spoke of Victoria Zaibakina, born in 1992. So 17 plus 8, she's 25 years old. And now they will get onto the blocks. World University Champion, 100 meters and the 200 meters in 2015. Hush silence here in the stadium. The lights have come up. Fabulous atmosphere. The fastest women will be decided later in the evening, but right now, 1, 2, 3 of these girls, and then the fastest will go to the finals. The blue ribbon event at any meet. The World Championships of India. Is it lane number 3? What a wonderful start it is for lane number 4. Lane number 3 pulling up very strong. In the inside is Key of Korea, Hong Kong. But look at the girl out there. There's no question. It's lane number 3, Victoria Zaibakina. And in lane number 4, it is Zaidutul Husne of Malaysia taking 1 and 2 out here. But Prashant, there was no question, no doubt that Victoria Zaibakina of Kazakhstan was looking very, very good. There was no two doubts, and what a race she ran.
जबरदस्त तरीके से स्टार्ट लिया, उसके बाद उसको कंटिन्यू किया, फाइनली रेस को फिनिश किया। उस एथलीट ने जिसने वुहान 2015 में सिल्वर मेडल हासिल किया था। जी हाँ, उज्बेकिस्तान की विक्टोरिया ज़ियाबकिना। दर्शक बड़ी तादाद में मौजूद हैं। आज दिलचस्प मुकाबले, ये देखिए किस तरीके से फिनिश करने पहुंच रही हैं विक्टोरिया ज़ियाबकिना। 478 कजाकिस्तान की इस एथलीट ने